A tornado warning has been issued for the following counties: Wayne, Macomb, and Oakland counties until 11 a.m. A tornado has been spotted northwest of Michigan Highway 59 and Interstate 75. The tornado has been measured as an F1 in the Fajita scale. All residents of that area are urged to seek shelter immediately. The National Weather Service expects an additional tornado to touch down around 10:30 a.m. and they expect the in the warning area. This tornado is expected to be a F2 or F3 and may rim hail. All residents who are under the warning area should prepare to seek shelter. Please stay tuned to Channel 69 WFUQ for further details.
And so not
I became
only
an alcoholic that night. I was drinking. Well, you think you were shocked?
A confirmed tornado has been spotted in Warren, Michigan in the industrial park on the northeast corner of 10 Mile Road and Michigan Highway 97. All residents within a mile of the said area must seek shelter in a basement, center part of house or building now. All other residents of Warren and northern Detroit should also seek shelter now. Again, a tornado is currently in an industrial park in Warren, Michigan on 10 Mile Road and Michigan Highway 97.
Oh, not at all. As a matter of fact, I'm so surprised about the way the millennials in particular have connected with me. And it seems as if I say